Just we just rolled the trailer on purpose in Moab.
You purposely rolled it.
Yeah. Just tired of competitors talking shit about how their materials were better, so I'm like, shut up or put up. So we rolled one on purpose,
I like
flipped it back on its wheels and drove it home to Salt Lake City. So
what was the result?
result is we broke the roof bracket. That was it. So it's a warm day here in Springfield, Missouri, but we don't have to worry about it because I'm in here with the Nomadic cooling system. Hi, I'm Mark Harley, and I'm the president of Bean Trailer, and we're here at MOORE Expo to demonstrate our Bean Squared trailer. It's our largest trailer, has great outdoor cooking capability. You have nice big rack out galley and a big table so you can cook for an event. Cindy and I, we've cooked for up to 20 people with this galley configuration. But we realize sometimes you can't cook outside because of the weather, because it's cold. So we also have a galley on the inside. So you have this fridge that'll rack out like this. And then you can access it either from the outside if you're cooking outside or from the inside. You also have a large pantry on the inside and a sink with instant hot water and an induction stovetop. The reason you can have an induction stovetop is there's 5 kilowatts of power in the system. And that's supported by 400 watts of solar panels on the roof. On this unit, you have a built-in heating system that runs on propane, and you also have a Nomadic cooling air conditioning system that will run up to 8 hours with this 5 kilowatt power system. And the air conditioning is running right now, and if this camera had Cool-O-Vision, you would know how cool it is inside of that trailer.
Really cool. Right?
Yeah, it's freaking, I'm gonna turn this up a little bit. And you can see the compressor portion of the unit is right on the outside. We were trying to find a system because of the roof, rack out roof. We didn't want something that that was actually on the roof. So we wanted something to come into, and it was pretty much the only proven system that would fit on the front of this unit. One of the things we're really proud of on Bean Squared, unlike a lot of trailers in the industry, is it's not like being inside of a hallway. You have a nice open floor plan. You don't have interior walls that are creating claustrophobia for you. That we patterned it after a studio apartment where everything is where it should be and everything has multiple purposes.